This video consists of slokas 1 to 8 of Narayaniam, Dashaga 8, which is Pralaya Varnana. Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Sri Guruvayurappa Saranam. एवं तावत् प्राकृत प्रक्षयान्दे ब्राह्मे कल्पे ह्यादिमे लब्धजन्मा ब्रह्मा भूयस्तत्त्व एवाप्यवेदान् सृष्टिं चक्रे पूर्वकल्पोपमानाम्. Prakrita Prakshayande, at the close of the Prakrita Pralaya, that is total dissolution, Brahme Kalpehi Adime, in Brahmakalpa, which is the very first. Evam Tavat, Brahma, who then came into existence in this manner, Bhuyaha Tattaha Eva Apyaveda, again from thee alone, receiving the knowledge of the Vedas, Srishtim Chakre, Brahma started creation, Purva Kalpa Upamanam, in the same way as in the previous Kalpa. That is, at the end of the Prakritika Pralaya, in the first Kalpa, which is known as Brahma Kalpa, Brahma came into existence. He got the knowledge of the Vedas from Lord alone and began creation in the same way as in the previous Kalpas. In this and in the next two Dasagas, Visarga, that is secondary creation, is described. At the end of the Prakrita Pralaya, which lasts for 100 Brahma years, primary creation, that is Sarga, takes place. This is bringing into manifestation of subtle elements by the Lord by his ikshana, that is by his will, which is described in the earlier chapter. After this, Brahma creates all beings, and this is known as Visarga. Sarga takes place only at the end of the Prakritika Pralaya, but Visarga takes place after every Naimittika Pralaya, that is, when a new day in Brahma's life begins. Soyam Chaduryuga Sahasramidanyahani Tavanmidascha Rajanir Bahusho Ninaya Nidratya Niliya Samam Sasrishtaihi Naimittika Pralayamakuradosya Ratrim. So I am that Brahma Chaduryuga Sahasramidani, extending over a period of 1000 Chaduryugas, Ahani, which are his days. Tavat Midaha Charajanihi, and as many nights. Bahushaha Ninaya, having spent many times, Nidradi Asau, he sleeps. Toi Niliya, that means merging in thee. Samam Sasrishtaihi, that is, along with all his creation, Brahma gets merged into thee. Naimittika Pralayamahuho, this period is called Naimittika Pralaya. Adaha Asya Ratri, which is Brahma's night time. Meaning 1000 Chaduryugas make one day for Brahma, and an equal duration is his night. During his daytime, he creates, and at night he sleeps. Brahma's night is called the Naimittika Pralaya. When along with his creations, he merges into the Lord. Thus, he spent many days and nights. अस्मादृशां पुनरहर्मुखकृत्य तुल्यां सृष्टिं करोत्यनुदिनं स भवल्प्रसादाद् प्राग्ब्राह्मकल्पजनुषां च परायुषां तु सुप्तप्रबोधनसमास्ति तदाभिसृष्टिः. Bhavat by thy grace, Srishtim Karodi Anudinam Sa, he, that means Brahma, does the work of creation every day. Aha Mugakritya, like the morning duties of people like us. Praga Brahma Kalpa Janusham. For those born earlier than the Brahma Kalpa, Cha Parayushamtu, and of the eternal source, that is Chiranjeevis, like Markandeya. Supta Prabodhana Sama Asti. The creation is like only waking up from sleep. Meaning, Brahma, by thy grace, performs creation every day, just as humans like us wake up in the morning and start our daily duties. For those who were born before the Brahmakalpa, and for the eternal souls, that is Chiranjeevis, being born in the new Kalpa is like getting up from sleep. That is to say, Markandeya and other eternal beings like him, Chiranjeevis, also merge in Brahma during the Naimittika Pralaya and come into existence again in every Kalpa, but they will have the memory of the past Kalpa intact. So, coming into existence at the beginning of each Kalpa is only like waking up from sleep for them. पञ्चाशदब्दमधुना स्वयोर्धरूपम् एकं परार्थमधिवृत्य हि वर्ततेऽसौ तत्रान्त्यरात्रिजनितान् कथयामि भूमन् पश्चाद्दिनावतरणे च भवद्विलासान् पञ्चादशाब्दमधुना that is now that Brahma has crossed his half lifespan, which is one parartha. Egam parartham kathayami. Now I will narrate Bhavadvilasan, the sportive activities of the Tatra Antya Ratri Janidan. What took place at the last of those nights, Paschal Dina Avatarancha, and after that, that is at the beginning of the next day. Meaning, O Guru Ayappa, Brahma ruling over the present cycle has now completed 50 years of his life, which is known as one Parartha. I shall now narrate your sportive activities during the previous night of Brahma and at the beginning of the next morning of the present Parartha. दिनावसाने सरोजयोनिः सुषुप्तिकामस्त्वयि सन्निलिल्ये जगन्दिजत्वच्छडरं समीयुः तदेदमेकर्णवमास विश्वम्. Dinavasane atha, then at the end of the day, Sarojayonihi, that is Brahma, the lotus born. Sushuptikama, desiring to sleep, Toyi Sanililye, merged in thee, Jagandija, and so the words also, Tad Jadaram Samiyuhu, merged in thy abdomen, Tad idam ega arnavam asa vishwam, and so this universe became one ocean. Meaning, Hare, at the end of a creative day of Brahma, desirous of sleep, he, along with the world, merged in thy abdomen in subtle form. At that time, the whole universe became one big ocean. तवैव वेशे फणिराजिशेषे जलैगशेषे भुवनेश्वशेषे आनन्दसान्द्रानुभवस्वरूप स्वयोगनिद्रा परिमुद्रितात्मा. Tavayeva Vesha, in thy form alone, Paniraja Sheshe, who is sleeping on Shesha, the king of serpents, Jala Ega Sheshe Bhuvane, with nothing but waters as the universe, Smasheshe, you reclined on the serpent bed. Ananda Sandranubhava Swarupa, in the nature of giving experience saturated bliss. Swarupa. So, Yoga Nidra Parimudridatma, they got absorbed in Yoga slumber, Yoga Nidra. Meaning, at the time when the whole universe was reduced to casual waters, you reclined on Adishesha, the king of serpents, who also one of the manifestations of you. You were absorbed in Yoga Nidra in a state of pure bliss. कालाख्य शक्तिं प्रलयावसाने प्रबोधयेत्यादिशदा किल उदा त्वया प्रसुप्तं परिसुप्तशक्तिं व्रजेन तत्राखिल जीवधाम्ना प्रलयावसाने प्रबोधय. At the end of pralaya, awaken me. Idi Adishitya, thus commanding Kalakhya Shaktim, your power called time. Tvaya prasuptam, you slept. Kila Ado, at the beginning of the pralaya. Parisupta Shaktim Prajena Tatra, in whom all the energies had become latent at that time. Akhila Jivadanma, and who is the abode of all jivas. Meaning, you commanded your power, which is called time, to awaken you at the end of the pralaya. Then, at the beginning of the pralaya, you resorted to sleep with all the various energies, and the jivas merged in thee. चतुर्युगाणां च सहस्रमेवं त्वयि प्रसुप्ते पुनरद्वितीये कालाख्य शक्ति प्रथम प्रबुद्धा प्रबोधयेत् त्वां किल विश्वनाथ. चतुर्युगाणां च सहस्रम, and for 1,000 चतुर्युगास, एवं त्वयि प्रसुप्ते, thus you having slept, पुनः अद्वितीये, then with no one else beside, Kala Akhya Shakti, the power of time, Pratham Prabuddha, first woke up, Prabodhayat Tvam Kila, then awakened thee. It is said, Vishwanatha, O Vishwanatha. Meaning, Hare Vishwanatha, when thus during the Naimittika Pralaya, consisting of 1,000 Chadriyugas, you had slept. You were in Yoga Nidra. The power of time, Kala Shakti, woke up first and awakened you from the slumber. This is the end of 8th sloka in this chapter, because this chapter is not Dasaga, it has got 13 slokas. And we will continue with the 9th sloka in the next video. And before closing this video, let's have a smarana of one Bhagavad Dhyan sloka. Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marudaha Tunvandi Divyaisthavaihi Vedaihi Sangapada Kramo Vanishudaihi Gayandiyam Samaga ध्यानावस्थित तद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः. हरिः ओम्.